Here's how to enter quarterly taxes on TurboTax. Those are estimated taxes that you've paid throughout the year, and there's a specific spot to enter your federal and state quarterly or estimated taxes. Also, if you want to save 20% on any TurboTax federal product, if you're filing your taxes right now or finishing up, you can actually click the affiliate link in the description or top comment and sign in, and you'll get a 20% discount on any TurboTax federal product that you need to pay for. And so that helps support this channel with a small commission, but gets you 20% off. Now we go to, instead of my info here, we go to federal if we haven't started that section yet, or we go to income, or if you see deductions and credits, you can go back to where you were just by going to that drop down or clicking on it and going to deductions and credits summary. Inside of that deductions and credits summary, you probably won't see this highlight right up here. What you'll see is these little drop downs down here, or a button, a little blue button that says add more tax breaks. You click that, then you see the drop downs. And then you'll see inside of here, estimated and other taxes paid. And we drop that down, and we're going to see the first line item is estimated tax payments. This is where you can enter those quarterly tax payments. Now we go to start, and it will take us through that. So if you haven't done any section, it'll say start. If you have and you're trying to get back, it'll say revisit. And so you got federal, you've got state, local if it applies, whatever applies to you, this is where you can fill out those quarterly payments. Now we hit revisit on this one because I filled this out before, but basically it's going to show when, or it's going to allow you to change the date of when you paid, not change the date, but put in the date of when you paid those quarterly payments, and then also the amount that was paid. And so you got first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, etc., and when they were paid and how much. Fill out anything else needed and then hit continue. And that will enter in that you paid this much in federal estimated taxes, whatever your amount is. And then you'll also fill the same thing in for state and anything else that applies to you on this page. So if you're trying to get back there or you're doing it for the first time, estimated taxes or quarterly taxes are entered on the deductions and credits page, and then go scroll down and find that estimated tax payment section. That's where you can enter quarterly taxes on TurboTax, save 20% filing on your federal tax products by clicking that link in the description. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.